Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into how to send and receive money with Apple Pay on your iPhone in 2024. So guys, whether you are splitting bills with friends or receiving payments from clients, Apple Pay offers a convenient way to manage your finances directly from your device. So guys, stay tuned to learn the step-by-step process and some handy tips to make the most out of Apple Pay. So guys, today we are going to use the Apple Support official website. So on your iPhone or iPad, just simply open the Messages app and then start a new conversation or tap an existing one. And now just tap on the plus icon. As you can see, it's right over here. And after that, just tap on the Apple Cash and then enter the amount that you want to send. And just simply tap send and then tap the send button to review or cancel the payment. And now guys, just simply double click the side button to pay and confirm your payment with the Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. And guys, as you can see, if the person you sent money to has not accepted the money yet, you can cancel the payment. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.